Hey guys, Samir here from samirmukhtar.com, and I apologize today you will not be seeing my face. Now I needed to do this review and there is no power at the moment. There is a problem. There is a lot of rain and I have got a power cut. So apologies for not showing my face, but it was important I show you Commission 5 review. Today I'll be reviewing Commission 5 from Kevin Fahey. Okay. Now, Kevin Fahey, I met him in last 10 years ago and he mentored me. He is the one who taught me how to do marketing, how to do everything. Okay. Now, for this reason, that's why I'm promoting him and I am giving you the detailed of what Commission 5 is, and so that you can be able to decide if you want to take this course, if it is for you or if this is not for you. Now I don't think it will not be for you, so just stay tuned and let's get into the review. I will also be giving you bonuses which are from Kevin Fahey, some of them, but some of them are from me, and those bonuses you will not get anywhere else. You can go shut down this video, go and look at other review videos, and you will see that these bonuses will be nowhere else. Anyway, let's move on. What will you get in Commission 5? Commission 5 will cost you $12. Guys, for $12, you will learn a lot. Now, this is not a course. I've gone through this course because I got interested in it as well. And it's something which will help you. I'm very sure. It's not something which, Kevin Fahey just rushes over. It's a detailed, very well thought, and very well presented course. Okay. So let's go through the members area and you will see that there is introduction and then there is case study. Now the important and the very interesting part of this case study is Kevin Fahey shows you how he marketed. Like for example, this one is Listify. Listify was a product and he shows you how he marketed. This is an 11 minutes video, and then you can get his bonus page and you can get his offer link. So that is what you will be getting. Okay, full case studies, there are 5 of them, and that is why it's called Commission 5. Now you will also be Kevin Fahey will be presenting to you an autoresponder which is better than GetResponse, which is better than Aweber or any other autoresponder out there, and it is cheaper, damn cheap than them. Okay, and I have tested this and it is working. It's called Mailvo, and he will explain to you more about that. Now, on the 7th video, Kevin Fahey will show you how to create and schedule your campaigns. Okay, so you will be understanding how to schedule your email campaigns, and this is a 21 minutes full video. Okay, so you will be getting this as the video number 7, and this is something which you will be going through once you get this Commission 5. So let's move on. Email marketing. Talking about email marketing, and this is again a 13 minutes video. And let's look at this, where the sales come from. So basically you will be understanding how to drive sales and again how to track your sales, because it's very important. If unless you're tracking, you will not understand what is going on. Okay, now let me just reduce this so that I can see if there is any other video here, and then wrap up and the bonuses. So he's he's showing you how you can increase your commissions. You can increase your commissions by doing bonuses, okay, and where to get the bonuses and all that kind of good stuff. Now, this case study, guys, if you look at it, you will see that the guy made $3,000 on his launch, okay, sold 71 front end and then 74 upsells. So with this kind of promotion, you will understand how affiliate marketing works. Now, some of the upsells which Kevin Fahey has, and I highly recommend them. They are so cheap, they are on a good price. You should get them. Okay, one is 15 monetization methods. There is covering a lot about how to monetize your content, okay, what kind of advertisements to do and all that kind of thing. Then 10 times traffic is methods of driving traffic. He's covering Google ads, Facebook ads, and whatnot. Okay, now guys, I have been a student of Kevin Fahey, so all these things I have gone through them, I have learned, and he is the best. Okay, he is somebody who is really really interested in student success, and he really goes that mile to make sure that you are somewhere. Then a lazy affiliate method. This is something which I highly recommend. It's a fully done for you campaigns, fully done for you funnels. You just have to drive traffic to them. You just have to put them on your server, install them, and that's it. You are able to move on with that. Okay, then this is only $27. Again, 10 times traffic is $27. 15 I think 10 times traffic is $37. 15 monetization methods is $27. Okay, VIP training is one time $197. If you don't want to take that, then you can take a monthly $29.5. So guys, this is something which I really highly recommend. You should get this for yourself if you are somebody who is looking at affiliate marketing and wants to become a super affiliate. Okay, so this is something which you should get. Commission 5 is something which should not slip out of your hand. Okay, now my bonuses, guys, I will be giving you the course which Kevin Fahey started with me, and it's called I Am Newbie. So if you are a complete newbie, okay, completely a newcomer, I will be giving you I Am Newbie so that you can understand and get started with I Am Newbie. I will also be giving you I Am Funnels. Okay, I'll be giving you I Am Funnels, Internet Marketing Funnels, which is also by Kevin Fahey. Okay, then I will be giving you uh, a course which is my personal course, where I'm training you how to use free traffic to get a lot of sales. Okay, now guys, I just want to show you, in the past 30 days with the free traffic I have made around $816. This is something which I will teach you myself. So this is something which you should take. I will teach you myself how to do this kind of thing. It's a free traffic. Okay, then I will also give you a case study where you are able to drive in. That is if you are taking any of the OTOs. Okay, that is for somebody who has taken any of the OTOs. I will show you how to drive traffic. I mean 700,000 visitors on your website. Okay, that's a case study which I will be giving you. 700k visitors on your website. Guys, something else I will be giving you is I will be coaching you. For example, if you take all the OTOs, you are qualifying for my coaching. I normally charge $297 per hour coaching. You're getting that for free. We will talk, we will analyze what you're doing and how you're doing it, and I will give you all this information. If you are able to take all the OTOs, you will be able to sit with me on Skype and we can discuss. You can ask me anything about this. If you are stuck anywhere in the commission 5, I will get my team to help you work and to get going. Okay. The other thing which I will give you, any of the purchase you make, even if the front end you do, I will be giving you my tutorial of ranking videos on page 1. Now I believe this one you have seen on page 1, that is why you are here and you are watching this video. The same way I will show you how to rank your videos on page 1. Okay. And I will also show you how to get Google advertisement, how you are able to get Google advertisement, how you are able to get coupons from Google, and all that cool stuff. So basically, I will be able to help you. Okay, I will be able to help you understand and market. And you will be in my support group learning my free method. So you will be learning a lot. My group has over 700 members. Most of them are already getting results. Okay, so, guys, I really hope you take this opportunity. Commission 5. Now, if you have visited other pages, then clear the cookies if you want to take this from my link. Okay, and if you want to benefit from those bonuses. Again, uh, this course is launching tomorrow, which is Wednesday, 13th, and I it's a completely cut out here, so I was not able to do for you a nice page where I will show you my bonuses and all that kind of thing. But the important thing is, the information in here is something which you need it. So don't shy away, and I don't recommend any other products. Actually, I have become a very skeptical person, and I'm not just promoting anything just anyhow, just promoting it. I want something which is valuable, which will give you value. I go through a product properly so that you don't get misled. I don't want, if you're a completely newbie, I don't want you to be misled. If you're somebody who is looking into Commission 5, I don't want you to be misled what it is all about. I've given you everything here. This is what you'll be getting, and you will be loving it, especially with email marketing if you're list building. Now, guys, with that being said, I just remembered I can do for you something small, which is I can recommend solo ad vendors to you for faster list building. Now you understand that there is a lot of methods of driving traffic, but solo ads is something which is a really good source of traffic if you know how to use it. Now, some places like Udemy and some Facebook groups and all that kind of things do not have very good traffic, and you might get burnt. So I don't want you to get burnt. I want you to use my vendors who have been working with me. I work with them, I am making results, and I want you to make results. So that's what I will be doing for you. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, if you benefited, like, comment, ask me anything you want, and I will be able to assist you. Okay, guys, so below this video there is a link where you can go and purchase commission 5, and then from there I will be able to you will be able to contact me. My Facebook also page profile is just below this video, and you will be able to contact me, and we will work on those bonuses. Basically, I will be able to help you. Okay, with my bonuses I will be able to help you where you are stuck. So that is something better than just giving you random bonuses. Especially if you're a newbie, I am newbie will help you. Okay, guys, otherwise I will see you, I will talk to you soon. And just watch out for my other videos for tips and tricks, and get subscribed to this channel, like this video, and let me know what you think about Commission 5. Thank you.